Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell. Today we are going to prepare 4 healthy rasams for the kids and we are going to see the home remedies for the indigestion in the kids. Come on, let's go and prepare the rasam first.
Let us prepare pumpkin rasam first. Take some pumpkin pieces, tomato, cilantro and garlic, hing, turmeric, black pepper and cumin seeds. Put everything into the mixie jar. Pumpkin, tomato, garlic, turmeric, black pepper and cumin. You can add black pepper according to your spiciness and add salt. Blend and make a fine paste. Now take a pan, add oil, add tampering. So we are adding mustard seeds, cumin seeds and half red chili. Add the paste and cook it. Just saute and cook for few minutes. Now it's boiling. So add some water according to your consistency. Now add the cilantro. Yeah, it is cooked. Now shift it into a bowl. Now we are going to prepare carrot rasam. Take 1 carrot chop, 1 tomato chop. So add the carrot chop and tomato chop, turmeric, salt, everything into the mixie jar. Here we are adding little bit of tamarind, very little. So put everything into the mixie jar and blend it. Now take a pan, add tampering. So we are adding mustard, cumin and hing. Now add the fine paste into the pan and saute well. Now you can add the water and cook it for few more minutes. Like this you can also prepare beetroot rasam too. So add the cilantro. It is cooked now. Now we are going to prepare cilantro rasam. For that, take a small bunch of cilantro, 1 tomato. So we are adding tomato, cilantro, turmeric, salt, jeera or cumin, garlic clove, black pepper. Grind it and prepare a smooth paste. Now take a pan, add oil. We are going to prepare tampering. Yeah, add the paste. Let it cook for some time. Add the hing. Here you don't need to add cilantro at the end because this is cilantro rasam. This is really tasty. You should try it once and it is good for kids too. Now we are going to prepare Dal Rasam. I have taken 1/4 cup of dal and washed it well and soaked it for 2 hours. Now close it and keep until 3 whistles. Take some tamarind and soak it in water. Now smash the dal and take it into a bowl. Now we are adding tampering, mustard, cumin, hing and little bit of crushed garlic, 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic. and 1 tomato. Just saute for few more minutes. Now add salt, turmeric. Just saute for some time. Now add the tamarind juice. We are not adding any rasam powder or any spices to it, since I am preparing for this for kids from 8 months to 5 years. So I have added the dal and everything should cook for some time. So here it is boiled well, so it is cooked. Now you can add cilantro. This dal really tastes well. You can add the rasam powder and spices if you are preparing for us. This is really good and really very good for digestion. I used to give my kids every night this rasams. Please try it and let me know the comments in the comment section.
These rasams are really healthy. And in the same way you can prepare beetroot rasam, spinach tamarind rasam too. The orange vegetables and nuts are really helpful for the kids' brain growth. So try to add more orange vegetables and nuts in their diet. Let us see few tips for the indigestion in the kids. Take half teaspoon of cumin and half teaspoon of ajwain. Pour 1 glass of water and let it boil and become into half. Now you can serve your kids. The second tip is take 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, add 2 teaspoons of honey, mix them and serve them. This is also really helpful for the indigestion. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.